Hi, greetings. My name is Lishawn Alexander. I am the CEO of Lishawn's Consulting, and today my team is going to be talking all about ancient civilizations. So if you're a historian, you're going to enjoy this session. So without further ado, enjoy.
Ancient civilizations occurred when early human societies stopped hunting and gathering, but then began to settle in one place around 4000 to 3000 BCE. Living in permanent settlements helped people build stable communities, create government, laws, and social systems, but they also developed agriculture, architecture, and writing. These achievements are the foundation of modern society.
Why rivers? Ancient civilizations settled near rivers and streams. They provided fresh drinking water for people and animals. The soil near them was very fertile and helped crops grow, allowing people to produce more food. Irrigation systems used rivers' water to farm during dry seasons. Settling here also made transportation and trade easier by boats.
Ancient civilizations formed governments to keep order and stability. Laws were developed so people were aware of rules and regulations. One example is Hammurabi's Code from Mesopotamia. Society was divided into social classes. Rulers, priests, and nobles were at the top. Farmers, workers, and slaves were at the bottom of the social pyramid.
Culture, language, and advancement. Ancient people developed spoken and written languages. Writing helped record history, trade, and important events. Language made communication easier between people. Religion was mostly polytheistic, meaning they believed in many gods. Religion helped explain natural disasters and life events. Art and architecture, like pyramids and statues, showed their beliefs and culture.
Daily life depended on a person's social class. Farmers spent most of their time growing crops and raising animals. Merchants and artisans made and traded goods. Workers built houses, roads, and monuments. Rulers and elites governed society and lived comfortably. Natural resources were used to make clothes, tools, and homes.
Examples of ancient civilizations. There were many ancient civilizations around the world. First, Mesopotamia developed between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers. Second, ancient Egypt grew along the Nile River. Third, the Indus Valley civilization formed near the Indus River. Fourth, the Chinese civilization developed near the Yellow River. Lastly, the Olmec civilization happened in the Americas. It was formed near river systems.
Ancient civilization faced many challenges. Floods and droughts could destroy crops and homes. Food shortages sometimes lead to famine and death. Wars and invasions were also common problems. Technology and medical knowledge were limited. Even with struggles, their ideas shaped modern society.
Ancient civilizations showed great intelligence and creativity. They built strong governments without modern technology. They created writing systems, laws, and art. People worked together to solve problems. Their innovations improved daily life. Many of their ideas still influence us today.
Ancient civilizations were very advanced for their time. Inventions like the wheel changed transportation and trade. Law systems helped create order in society. It is amazing they built cities without machines. They had to discover everything on their own. Their achievements built the base of modern life.
Hydraulic civilization hypothesis. The hydraulic civilization hypothesis is a historical theory. It says water control led to strong governments. Managing rivers required planning and organization. Leaders controlled irrigation and flood systems. This gave rulers more power over people and created centralized and bureaucratic states.
Ancient civilizations were connected through trade. Trade routes allowed goods to move between regions. Items like metals, crops, and tools were exchanged. Ideas and religions also spread this way. This process is called cultural diffusion. It helped civilizations grow and influence each other.
Ancient civilizations played a major role in human history. They created the first governments, laws, and writing systems. Settling their rivers helped them grow food and build strong societies. Even though they faced many problems, they continued to advance. Their inventions and ideas became the foundation of modern life. Today, we still learn from their achievements and contributions.
Hi, we want to thank you for tuning in to our segment on ancient civilization. We hope that you learned something new, you felt empowered. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel as we continue to share relevant information that will empower you. Thanks for joining us. Bye for now.